Are you tired of pricey AI voice generators limiting your creativity? What if I told you there's a free tool that delivers top-quality voiceovers? Stick around because you're about to witness the power of this incredible AI voice generator. Looking to create videos using AI voices? Maybe you're seeking a great text-to-voice generator without the hefty cost. Well, you're in luck. This video's custom-made for you. While Elevenlabs is a superb AI voice generator, it does come with a high price and limits your free usage. How to use Elevenlabs for free. But fear not. Bye-bye, Elevenlabs' new alternative revealed free TTS. I found the best Elevenlabs AI alternative free platform that not only provides top-notch Elevenlabs unlimited voiceovers, but best of all, it's completely free. What you're listening to now is the magic of that very AI tool at work. So, let's dive right in. Come along as we explore this amazing alternative for Elevenlabs, a no-cost AI voice generator. Excited to get started? Here we go. Meet Clipchamp. It's more than just an AI voice generator. It's a comprehensive AI-driven video editor packed with incredible features. Today, I'll showcase its voiceover generation capability. To begin, for AI audio generator, open your browser and search for Clipchamp. Once you've found the search result, click on the first link to access the Clipchamp website. Here, you'll discover a powerhouse tool for AI-generated videos. Clipchamp AI boasts a range of features, including auto-captioning, text-to-speech capabilities, video resizing, and a speaker coach. Plus, it offers an extensive library of royalty-free stock media. The best part, you can create limitless videos without any watermarks. The premium version of Clipchamp offers additional perks, such as exporting videos in 4K and access to premium stock media and effects. However, for our current purpose of generating audio, the free version is perfectly sufficient. Since we're focusing solely on audio generation, there's no need to upgrade to the premium version at this time. Okay, to proceed, let's start by creating an account. Click on the Sign Up option here. You'll have the choice to continue with your Microsoft, Google, or email accounts. I'll opt for my Google account. After successfully creating the account, choose your user purpose, similar to what I'm doing. Great, now you're in your account dashboard. If you're ready to create a video using AI, simply select the Create a Video with AI option. Sure, let's backtrack a bit. Click on Create a New Video to access the video editor. Although we won't be making a video today, this is where you'll find all the tools for video creation. Next, click on Record and Create to access a set of tools. Towards the end, you'll spot the text-to-speech tool. Click on it and you'll see a new panel opening on the right side. Navigate to this panel. Start by selecting the language and accents. There are over 50 languages available, each with various accents such as English, Spanish, Arabic, French, Hindi, Maltese, and many others. Once you've chosen your preferred language, click on Voice to select a voice actor. From there, you can listen to a preview by clicking on the designated button. There's a variety of voices available to help bring your story to life.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
If you're not satisfied with a particular voice, simply change it and select another until you find the perfect fit for your project.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Next up is the Advanced Settings section. Here, you can adjust the emotion of the voice. Choose your preferred emotion setting. Then, move on to selecting the voice pitch. Set the pitch according to your requirements. You can preview the changes each time to ensure the voice tone is perfect for your project.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing. Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
With a range of options available, you can pick the ideal voice to craft a compelling story worth sharing. Moving on to the speed settings. Adjust the speed according to the mood of the audio.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Always listen to the preview to ensure it aligns perfectly. With a variety of voices available, you can choose the one that best fits your narrative. Then, input your text into the designated text box. I'll be adding the intro part of today's video script. Now, onto an important step. Here you can generate up to 10 minutes of audio at a time. But don't fret. If you need an audio clip longer than 10 minutes, simply create it in segments. Since it's completely free, there's no need to worry about the audio length. Once you've pasted the text, click on the preview button to listen to the audio.
Welcome to 2024. To stay ahead in the world of beauty this year, there's a lot waiting for you to explore.
Are you excited to begin creating videos using AI voices? Maybe you're in search of a top-notch voice generator that's budget-friendly. Well, this video is crafted just for you.
Welcome to 2024. To stay ahead in the world of beauty this year, there's a lot waiting.
While GitHub Elevenlabs alternative open source stands.
Welcome to 2024. To stay ahead in the world of beauty this year, there's a lot waiting for you to explore.
Let's try with different emotions cheerful. Now, let's listen in with a sad emotion.
Welcome to 2024. To stay ahead in the world of beauty this year, there's a lot waiting for you to explore.
Are you eager to start making videos using AI voices? Once you've found the ideal voice tone, hit the Save button to generate the audio. And just like that, our text-to-audio is ready. Are you eager to start making videos using AI voices? Perhaps you're on the lookout for a top-notch voice generator that won't break the bank. As for downloading the audio, here's the catch. You can't directly download an audio file on Clipchamp. Instead, we'll download the video file. Click on the Export button here. Then, choose any resolution since we're focusing solely on the audio, making the resolution unimportant in this case. Choose any of the resolution options available. Clipchamp will take some time to render the video. Once the rendering is complete, click on Save to your computer. The video will then be saved onto our computer. Before moving forward, you can watch these videos after this session. We've previously uploaded videos about how to do voiceovers in 50 languages and clone and change your voice in real time with the best free AI text-to-speech generation software. Certainly. Now, to convert the video file into an audio file without compromising quality, here's the first method. Go to CapCut on your PC. Import your Clipchamp video file into CapCut. Drag the imported video file onto the timeline in CapCut. Great, let's continue with the first method. Left-click on the video file within CapCut and find the Extract Audio option. This separates the audio from the video. After extraction, click on the video and press the Delete button to remove the video track, leaving only the audio. Now, with the audio file ready, click on the Export button. Uncheck the Video tab and select the Audio tab. Give the file a name and click on Export to finalize. Now, for the second method, we'll utilize an online file converter. Sure, for the second method, open a new tab in your browser and search for an MP4 to MP3 converter. Click on the first link you see. You'll be directed to the site where you can access the conversion page. On this page, simply drag and drop your video file into the designated area. No account creation is required. After uploading the video clip, click on the Convert button. Once the conversion is done, your video will be transformed into an audio file. To download the audio, simply click on the Download button here. Your audio will then be saved on your device. You can preview the audio by clicking on the Play button provided.
Welcome to 2024. To stay ahead in the world of beauty this year, there's a lot waiting for you to explore.
This method allows you to generate unlimited premium quality audio from your text file, all without spending a single penny. Okay everyone, it's time to conclude our video. But before we do, I'd love to hear about your experience using AI to generate audio from text for free. Your feedback means a lot. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you're interested in how to make AI 3D animation video, AI animation video generator tools with AI video editing, click on the left. If you want to watch how to make whiteboard animation free with AI, handwriting animation video generator, free software, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.